As you can see, there's one thing missing on sus. I don't know why I've put this off for so long, but I think it's finally time we fix that one thing. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good day. I know I am, because today my hatch, beloved STI, is getting new headlights and new taillights. This is actually the very, it's not the last thing. It's nearly the last thing that this car needs. It does also need a rear view mirror installed. Other than that, it doesn't need anything. This thing is absolutely sick. I love this car. It's a ripper. It makes 540 wheel. It looks pretty good if you ask me. It could look a little bit better if we had some ZE40s on it, but we don't. And it could look even better if we had new headlights and new taillights. Check this out. I bought some headlights here locally for, I think I paid $100 for them. And I got them when I bought the car. I've had them laying around for that long. The reason why it's taken me so long to get these things installed is because the guy that had them ran them on his car, and I'm pretty sure he had put them on a WRX, and he did not have any sort of ballast or any sort of cover underneath down here. So they're full of dirt, completely full of dirt, inside and out. So we need to, here, let me go grab the other one. We need to fully disassemble them, which is nothing new to us. We've done that many times before. But I was gonna go ahead and do some demonize or something cool in them. But of course I slacked on ordering any sort of cool lighting stuff for the headlights, so we're not gonna be doing any of that. And then we have a special guest also coming over here within the next 2 minutes to show us how to tint our taillights. And the taillights are gonna look 1,000 times better. I think the factory tails look good on here when they have the red out mod done to them. What's up, brother?
Not much, back again.
So we got some, what do you consider this? Just like a red out kit?
Yeah, probably something like that.
So as you guys know, if you've been watching the channel for a minute, I tried to do this like 3 months ago and I completely destroyed the tint. So we got Chandler over here and he's gonna give me some tips. Show us how it's done. Chandler knocked out the passenger side. Now I'm gonna give the driver's side a shot. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. I was able to get this side like halfway done by myself. Chandler had to help out a little bit, but here we are. They're all finished up. I do need to trim them up. Chandler recommended I wait a few hours so all of that water can evaporate. I must say that looks so much better. Clear tails, ain't it? Some red on the tails. That's it, my friends. All right, boys, it's the next day. Let's go ahead and get these things trimmed up. But first we got to make sure none of the edges started lifting, because these are, of course, a wet apply. Ascent is complete. That is exactly what this thing needed. Now let's go ahead and knock out the headlights. We gotta bake them, pull them apart, get everything cleaned up. I might do a little bit of paint work inside and then reseal them. I don't know what kind of glue they use on this thing, but it is ridiculous. Usually I bake headlights at like 100, 150 degrees. I'm at 275 right now to get this glue separated. We have the first headlight disassembled. This, my friends, is why you do not run with something wide open, because it will destroy your headlight. So I'm not sure if you're supposed to get water on the inside of the lens or not. I'm gonna do it just because we don't really have another option. So I'm just gonna use some straight water, spray it off, blow it off with compressed air. The rest of these parts should be fine with water and maybe some Dawn dish soap if needed. Headlight number 1 is cleaned, resealed, rebaked, and should be good to go. Here's the before, and there it is all clean inside. Lens is still a little crusty. We can take care of that on the car. New lights are on and look absolutely sick on sus. But we cannot leave them crusty like this. Let me show you guys how to clean them up. They're not bad. I've done much, much worse. But the only kit in the world that I can recommend, that I've been recommending to you guys for years, is this Cerakote Headlight Restoration Kit. It's only 3 steps, takes about 10-15 minutes per headlight, and it'll go from trash to brand new again. Well guys, I just set this thing against the wall, got the headlights adjusted. They are super, super bright. Just went on a drive. We did put the factory STI bulbs and ballasts in there, and that's what I always prefer no matter what car. All the Evo 10s I run, even with the VLN headlights, I like to run the OEM bulbs and ballast, and on the STIs as well. They just seem to work so much better than any sort of aftermarket LED or HID setup I've used. So here's how they look. Let me go ahead and turn off the headlights so we can see just the sea light of the headlights. That looks pretty damn good. I can dig it. They turned out super good with the Cerakote kit. Here's the ass end of her. Damn, this thing really came together. Those two things we just did today. Exactly what this car needed, and I could not be more freaking stoked. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys think of the headlights. I will have everything that we just installed linked down below. So the pre-cut taillight kit, the headlights themselves, the Cerakote headlight restoration kit, and the OEM STI bulbs and ballast, where I picked them up from, which I think I just got them on eBay. I'll link them down in the description box below. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. Peace out, my good friends. I'll see you in the next one.